In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages together in Confluence. Linking pages makes your workspace easier to navigate, helps teammates find related content, and reduces duplicated information. We'll walk through selecting text, finding the right destination page, and saving your changes, plus a few quick tips to keep everything clean and consistent. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the link to live. Make sure you have permission to edit that page. Click the Edit button in the top right corner, the pencil icon. If you like shortcuts, you can press the E key to jump straight into edit mode. You'll see the page switch into the editor with the formatting toolbar available across the top. With the editor open, highlight the exact text you want to turn into a link. Choose words that clearly describe where the link goes, like "see our guidelines," rather than something vague like "click here." Descriptive text helps readers scan quickly and also improves search within your workspace. If you're new to Confluence or need access, there's a direct link to the website at the top of the description for this video. Now insert the link. In the toolbar, click the link button. It looks like a small chain. A dialog opens. Choose Search for a page, then start typing the name of the page you want. Confluence will show matching results from your space and others you can access. Pick the exact page from the list to avoid sending people to drafts or outdated copies. A quick tip: you can also press Command or Ctrl+K to open this link dialog without touching the mouse. Apply the link by clicking Insert. You'll see your selected text change to a hyperlink, confirming it's connected to that page. If you hover over it in the editor, you should get a small preview of the destination, which is handy for double checking. Finally, save your work. Click Publish in the bottom right corner to make the change visible to everyone with access. After publishing, test the link by clicking it and making sure it lands on the correct page. If it doesn't, simply return to Edit, select the linked text, and update it using the same steps. That's all you need to link pages together in Confluence. Clean, descriptive links keep your documentation organized and easy to follow. If this helped, consider sharing it with your team. And as always, thanks for watching.